Hello, Miss Putri. How do you take a nap, Putri? You took a nap. Okay. Let me now go and call the rest. Huh? Let me see whether the rest are coming. This moment. Huh? Just hold on. Eh? Slow down. Okay, one more minute. One more minute. Oh, one, two. Okay. Oh, okay. I think everyone is here, almost here. Okay. All right. Okay. Assalamualaikum, everyone. We're going to start with the. We're going back to decimals. Decimals. So we're going to revise now. So this is the simple stuff. Let us try. Can you do questions 1A to 1A to 1F lah. You try first. Then you send your answers to me. Remember, times 10 means you move by one decimal place. Move by one decimal place. Let's see whether you can get it. This is called repeated practice. That means with more practice, you should be faster and faster and faster and faster at this. Okay, we have answers now coming in from the contestants. And we have, well done to Putra, well done to Shafia. What about Sister Putri? Putra has taken over Putri. We have a dangerous situation at home now. What will happen if Putra takes over Putri all the time? Will they still be happy brothers and sisters? Putra, now we have question number B, and congratulations, Putra, you got it correct. And Husna Shafia also, yes, catching up fast. Husna Shafia, well, Alhamdulillah. Who else? Who else? Come on, who else? Wow. Oh, Putri, one time she gave. Huh? A correct, B correct, C correct, D correct, E correct, F correct, and Putri has now reached the finish line for question number 1, overtaking her brother by 4 questions. Wow. Now Mimi, come on, Mimi. By 3 questions. Okay, now Putri, you can move on to the next question. All right. Well done, Putra. You are now at D. Shafia, well done for C. Beijing over Naimi. Naimi, come on over, Naimi. Okay, Naimi, are you okay? Come, try Naimi. All right. I will just revise if you can't remember. Well done, Mr. Putra. One more question. So now you want to times by 10. Remember, you just need to shift it to this side here. So this becomes 6. Putri. Not Putri. Naimi. All right, same thing for this one now, Naimi. Times, well done, Shafia. Okay, for question number D, is it? Yes. Okay, so same thing. You want to shift by 1, 0, Naimi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I done all.
Yeah, wait, let me check, just check. Hold on. Congratulations. Can you move on to question 2, please? Chase up with your sister. Your sister, she is now boarding everyone else. It seems that the order and balance have returned to the Putri Putera home. But Putra, what is that answer for 10? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Okay. Yes, sorry. Okay, hold on. Now let me just check Putri's answer. Putri A correct, Putra A correct, Putri B correct. Let me see. Putri C correct and Putri D correct. Congratulations. So let us see now. Who else? Who else? Well, Husna E correct. Husna F correct. Now we'll come back to Nayumi. Yes, Putra C correct. In what? Not Putra, yeah. So Nayumi, where are you, Nayumi? Come on, Nayumi. This times 10. Shift 1 down here. So you got 2.64. Okay. This one down here times 10. Shift, put the dot. 30.28. All right. And well done to Putra for D. Okay, we are waiting for, just hold on. Who is in? Everyone is in. Okay. And the same thing, Husna Shafia, well done for question 2A. Naomi, now down here we shift, Naomi. You times by 10, 1, 0. Shift 1, 3.7. Times by 10, shift 1, 175.2. Okay, I think more or less you all are okay. We move on to question number 3. You don't need to do question number 2, those who have not finished. It's okay. Okay, I'm going to stop share. We're going to move on. Well, Naomi, turn on your video lah, Naomi. Mimi. This one now. And cannot use calculator. In case you have forgotten, I am now, so Husna Shafia, well done also. I'm now just going to show you how to do this, okay? There's a few ways of doing this. Let's say now, if you have now, let's say, 17.2 times 30. What to do? You can shift the 0 first, cancel 0, shift by 1. So 172 times 3. That's one way. What's another way? Another way, you can break the 117.2 times 3 times 100. It's times 10. 3 times 10 is 30, right? I'm breaking the 30 to 3 times 10. So you can do 17 times 2 times 3 first. You get your answer. 2 times 3, 6. 7 times 2, 21. 1 times 3, 3. Plus 2, 23. 1 dot here, one space here, 1 dot here. So the next step is, sorry. Something went wrong here. Sorry, hold on. 2 times 3, 6. 7 times 2, 21. 1 times 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 1 dot here. So now what you do is, this is equal to 51.6 times 10. You have already multiplied the 3. When you multiply 3, it becomes like that. Now there is one more step, times 10. So you times 10, shift, you get 516. I hope that's okay. Is it okay? You know this method. It's up to you to do whichever style you want. Okay? Mimi, where are you, Mimi? Come on, Putra. This is time to catch up with your sister. Show who's the man of the house. Putra says, I'm the man of the house, but I'm a small man. Cannot use calculator, yeah? Do not search for calculator, yeah? I can see some of those smiling. They were about to take the calculator. Shafia, are you okay now, Shafia? You seem to be going rounding. You know, your whole camera is pusing. You seem to be fighting with something. As if there's a snake in your house. It's no snake, it's a cobra. Okay, so if you have done that, let us see. Okay, Mimi, we got to do it step by step. Chungkok, well done. Hey, Mimi, you watch out what I do, Mimi. So you can take 0.3 times 7 first if you want to.
Teacher, wait.
Yeah, okay. All right. Or maybe I teach you all the. Maybe I just teach you the straight method. Wow, who is this? Putri. Putri A correct. Putri B correct. Putri C. I have to calculate. So is it 22 or 21, Miss Shafia?
21.
21. Well done. Well done. Shafia, you're getting better. Okay. Naomi, we can also do it like that. Okay. We can take 70 times 0.3. You can do it like that. So, okay. You can just time straight. No problem. Okay, Naomi, watch. 0 times 3, 0. 7 times 3, 21. Maybe it might be easier for you. And then count how many digits are after the decimal place. You have 1. So 1, put a dot here. The answer is 21. Okay, if you feel this is easier for you, please carry on. Same thing down here, Naomi, for the next one. You can put 30 times 0. Oh, going on. Okay, times 0.25, or you can say 0.25 times 30. Up to you, up to you. Maybe we put, okay, we can put 0.25 times 30 lah. So you're going to multiply the second one, put a 0. 5 times 3, 15, carry 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Count the number of places, Naomi. 1, 2, 1, 2, put a dot. So it's 7.5. Can you see? 7.5. All right, I'm finished. Wow. Okay, let us check now. Let us check. Husna, Shafia also, let us check. Okay, take care of yourself. Okay, let's see. So 9. Okay, question C. I got to check now. Just a moment. Just a moment. Okay, we have Putri correct for C. Shafia correct for C. Putra don't have a Putra. C you didn't do. Putra, you don't know how to do. You know how to do C, Putra? Putra, you know, So you can also, those in case you're not so sure, those of you 9.04, you can times by 60 straight. No problem. You can do this method. Okay, maybe I'm teaching you the more complex method. Don't need to times the first one because you get 0 once you time. Okay, so what you do, you move to the next digit. 4 times 6, 24, carry 2. Okay, 0 times 6, 0 plus 2, 2. 9 times 6, 54. Then count the number of digits after the decimal place. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Put a dot here. So it's 5. Handwriting is bad. It's 5, 4, 2.5. So 1.4. Putra, you're okay with this, Putra? You know, you understand, Then how come you have not done? I feel unmotivated because my sister completed it before me. Okay. All right. So the next one now. The next one. Putra, try the next one. Putra, do jayo lah, fast lah. Faster. Naomi, I'm waiting for you, Naomi. Okay. Husna Shafia, D is correct. Let me see. Putri, D is correct. So I'm not seen Naomi. I'm not seen Putra. So now we go to E. All right, let's see. Well done to Putri. Only Putri has gotten E. So Putri, we just wait for a while. Okay, those who do not know how to do E, I'm going to show it to you. Okay.
No, wait.
Don't show. Don't show. Okay, don't show them. Let me just clear the screen first of all. And then see whether we can move on to the next one. So that, okay. So Putri, you can do question number 4. Otherwise, the mind will be idle. Putra, waiting for you, Putra. You are supposed to be the champion, Putra. You are the highest scorer of all the males here. But where's the males? Today got 2 males and they're missing. Let us see. Husna, Shafia, well done. Shafia, you're getting better and better. Shafia, can you feel that? Can you feel it? You got to feel it in your bones. You got to feel it inside yourself. Right? You got to feel it until the hair under your scarf turns curly. All right, well done, Mr. Putra. Yes, you are catching up. Please try F while we are waiting for Kakak. Kakak, she give one shot of everything. She give one shot now. Mimi, where are you? Mimi, where are you? All right, congratulations to Mr. Putra. But you did terbalik what? Yeah, you did terbalik lah. Okay lah, doesn't matter. Okay, we move on to the next one. Now notice, you know what you're doing. No, you know what I've given you guys. Well done, Shafia, well done. Wow, kakak ni satu kali dia kasih dia mau pancang one He give one shot. Okay, A correct, B correct. Congratulations, Putra. Well done for F. Please move on to question number, hold on, just let me push it up. Question number 4. Okay, so let's check kakak's one. What about C? Congratulations for C. Congratulations for D. Congratulations for E. And congratulations for F. Well done, Miss Putri. You can collect, I do not know how many points you have won. Ask your mom. She should be donating them to you. Okay, if not, at least you get a hug from her lah. A hug is okay, kan? All right. You can get a hug from brother also. Brother, hug her, brother. Don't want hug, brother. Okay. Husna Shafia, well done for 4A. Okay, so Putri, move on to question 5 and 6. Mimi, where are you? I'm going to make a song for you, Mimi. Mimi, where are you? I've been waiting here for
Teacher,
you.
who is Mimi?
Mimi's Naomi.
Oh, Naomi.
And she turned on the video. I don't know where she is. I've been searching for her. Mimi, do you know I've been dreaming about you just now? I took a nap. Then found you hiding inside a cupboard. In fact, there was once this story I read in a newspaper of a boy. He wanted to see the girl, and this is in an Arab country. And then he went through the window of the girl's house, the home, and then there was a knock on the door. The parents, and he hid inside the cupboard, but he was so frightened that he died. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine you hide inside the cupboard and you die inside it? May Allah forgive him now. Yeah. Let us see, Kakak. Wow. Congratulations for A, Kakak. B, congratulations. C, congratulations. D, congratulations. Husna Shafia, let me see. Husna Shafia, which one are you doing? Okay, yeah. Husna Shafia, well done for C. Now the last two, you have 1, 2. A is correct, Putri. And B is correct. Congratulations, Putri. Putra, this is the way that you do for your kakak lah, like that. Now finish. Now she did it. Come on. Where's Putra? Come on, Putra. Putra, give your kakak a hug now. Oh, she gave a clap. Okay. A clap is a clap if it's on another hand. A clap is a slap if it's on the face. Be careful, eh? All right. Come on, the rest. Husna Shafia, well done for D. Putra, come on, Putra, come on, Putra. Mimi, Mimi, where are you? Mimi, Mimi, where are you? You know, I'm going to make a rap for Mimi. Okay, I think more or less you are getting it. Come, complete as much as you can. We give you another 2 minutes more. 2 minutes more, come on. And then I'm going to ask, this question is only for Miss Putri. Because she finished this, Putri, you try this, Putri. No using calculator. 8 point. Let me see, 2, 4, 0, 1. Hold on, 6. Putri, you tried it. Thank you.
Why for long time?
Yeah, to see whether you know how to do these. All right, well done, Miss Shafia. Well done, Miss Shafia. As they say, good job, girl. And Shafia, well done. You have completed question number 4. Well done. Okay, get a free pinch from your sister. Come on, Putra, Putra, come on. Where are you, Putra, Putra, Putra? Come on. Shafia, beginilah Shafia, gini. Alhamdulillah. Naomi and Putri, don't run away lah, please. We are waiting for you. Turn on the video. Yes. Well done. Well done. Come, kakak, can you do not? You see, look at adik nari-nari gini. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my, here's my handle. Here is my spout. See, I remember all this. Wow. Is it correct? 1 point. Congratulations, Miss Putri. Well done, well done. Okay, you're doing well. So the thing now, Putri, for you, if you really, really want to go all out for it, 2 practice papers on your own. You know, it's June holidays now. 2 practice papers on your own, and then once you have marked those questions you do not know, send me. Don't do like the other day. No, you ask me like 1 day before exam. Cannot now. You got to practice early, then get to know. Then I'll go through some of the questions during the lesson, and if I need to arrange for extra time for you, I'll arrange for extra time. But you can do it. Then you will score 80%. 80% is very high, you know. Inshallah, inshallah. You can get 70%, 80%. Mimi, where are you, Mimi? I know you're watching us. And why is it we cannot watch you? Putra, don't give up. The way you are leaning, you give up already, Putra. Why you give up? You're listening to music. Let's see. Miss Shafia, which question are you doing now? I do not know. No. How come you get 18? Which question is 18? Shafia?
Question C. Question BB.
BB. Oh, yeah. Okay, B is correct. Okay, A is correct. A is not correct. How come you get A like that? You must get, so now A, now we check A. B is correct. A is not correct because it's 0.04, right? Times 100. So you shift 1. Sorry, Okay, we will not go through all. Okay, we go to problem sum. So shift 1, shift 2 because 2 zeros, then dot. So 4.04 now here, Shafia. Correct. Your 100 is here. You forgot, I think. Okay, we will move on to the next question, sir. Okay, because otherwise, Kakak is waiting. You wait, got nothing. You know, children. Although she's going to be a teenager soon, but children, you cannot leave them alone doing nothing. What will happen? There might be a riot, even at secondary school. The boys fighting and all that. But as they grow older and older into adults got not much energy. They'll just sit there. Okay, division. Okay, division. Okay, we have gone through multiplication. Now we go through division, but I will show you now. Okay, division. Very, very simple. You must be able to check division now. Okay, Mimi, why you gonna come out to play? Why you gonna play maths? Okay, now if it's divide, let's say 215 divided by 100. Divide, you got to move backwards to the left. 2 zeros. If let's say 215 times 100, you got to move forward 1, 2, 2 zeros. So it becomes that way. Divide, you move backwards. Times, you move forwards. Now this one, we're going to do it this way. Okay, we are no longer going to wait for anyone. You are just given 2 minutes. Let's see how many you can do. Okay. Putra, what happened, Putra? Why? Don't lose. I think just because your sister is slightly faster than you, you give up already. Don't be sour grape lah. Jangan jadi anggur masam. Sour grape, I think it's called anggur masam. You know sour grape? See, what is he talking about sour grapes? Anyway. All right, Mills, you do as many as you can. In 2 minutes, we are starting from now. The time now is 5.56. By the time we reach 5.58.
Did you do which one?
Do 1A, B, C, D, E, F, 2, and 3. Let's see how many you can do in 2 minutes.
Teacher?
Yeah.
No, you must give 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes and action. Go. Mimi. Don't call me Mimi. Then, let me see. Okay, wow, very fast, the boy. Hello, boy. You're the only boy down here, boy. Boy. You divide, the number doesn't become bigger, it must become smaller, boy. You go and put times, boy. This is a divide, you know. Must go opposite direction. So what does it mean? Okay, I just show the first one. 0.2. You are divide by 10, you must shift backwards. Put the dot down here so it becomes 0.02. That's what it means, like that. It becomes like that. If from 0.2 becomes 2, that means you go in times by 10. Okay, come. Discover the what? Come. So your first two, although you are fast, but you made a mistake, son. Wow! Suddenly kakak sekali kau dia kasih dia buat macam begini ya. A correct, B correct, C correct, D correct, E correct, F correct. Congratulations to Miss Putri for question number 1. Putri, move on please. Okay, now we're going to reach 1 more minute, and so let's see how much you can complete. Husna Shafia, you asked for 3 minutes, but you have not even sent one answer. See, Putra, he sent 2 answers. Send her.
I want to later.
Hey, don't be like that, later like that.
Give 1 more minute.
1 more minute, okay, until 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
You know, your kakak is the same also. What is this? Kasut, sepatu. Putra. Well, we have second answer. Let's see. A correct for Putri.
Teacher, until 6. Oh.
No, until 6 o'clock. I already extended for you. After the rest of you bought, what are you going to do? The next thing I'm waiting, we find that Putri is sleeping. How? So before that happened, you look at the brother. The brother's head sangat. I'm not sent. Come on, brother. Wake up, brother. Okay, B is correct, Putri. C, congratulations. D, congratulations. So you should be starting. So, wow. I have not. This one you got to check, Putri, because it's 4 divided by 20. The trick is to make the. Oh, you got it, Congratulations, Putri. Amazing. Okay, A is correct.
Teacher, don't go through first. I want to send.
B is correct. Congratulations, Putri. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so they say don't go through first, so we got to minimize. But abang adik is not sending in adik. Adik kenapa dia tak mau? Dia dah slow sikit, dia tak nak main lagi lah. Dia saja don't friend my sister lah. Don't be like that lah. Come on lah Putra, you can do it. Husna Shafia. Which question is this, Husna Shafia? Oh, B. Okay, the answer for B,
A, B, C.
ABC. Okay, A already sent, right? Okay, so B is correct. C is correct. D, not yet. So well done. Kakak, you can do the rest, Kakak. Question 3CD. Yeah. Give encouragement to your brother lah. Your brother. Well done, Shafia, for question D. Well done, question E, Shafia. And the best player for today's game in terms of the okay, well done, Shafia. The most improved player goes to Husna Shafia. The best player goes to Miss Putri. And we have two other players now. They are out of focus. One has turned off even the whole video. Okay, it's not good lah. Don't turn on the whole video unless you have a good reason. Hey, who is that? Why? What is he showing? Jungkook. Jungkook, what are you doing, Jungkook? Oh, he's angry, yeah. Aduh. Are you the Batman or what? All I can say is this. If you are upside down for a while, after a while, the world that's upside down seems okay to you. That means you're upside down lah. Let's see. Let's see here.
Teacher, wait, don't go.
I'm not going through. You are exactly a sister. Okay, well done, Miss Putri for C. Do you use the calculator, Putri? No. Are you getting better in maths? Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Good. Well done for D. Okay, but sometimes it take a little bit more time for the marks to follow through. Sometimes the marks comes a bit slower, but you make sure you push yourself. The best way is to do more practice. E is correct also. F is correct. Congratulations. Let me see. Shafia, you are doing which question here?
I think question A. I cannot remember.
Which one?
Oh no, that one is question B.
The last one is question B.
Eh. Wait.
Naomi, be careful. They didn't say 20 divided by 4, no. 4 divided by 20, no. Be careful. Don't allow your mind to play tricks on you. You see 4 divided by 20, you put 20 divided by 4. Don't. This is called a mental trick. You got to help correct yourself, okay? So how to do this? Okay, I just show this one, Naomi. The thing is to make this into 10. How to make it to 10? I divide by 2. I get 10. And I must also divide by 2 down here. I get 2. So 2 divided by 10, 2 divided by 10, I can shift 1 decimal place down here. Why? Because it's 1 0. So it's 0.2. That's the answer. Same thing. Ask yourself, how can you change this to 10? What do you divide it by, Naomi? Do the same thing for 36. Divide it by the same number. I do not know which answer it is, Miss Shafia. Aku rasa sudah bingung sikit ya. I think it's supposed to be A. So let us see.
No, that one is B.
Wrong question. Okay, we are running out of time. By 6:15, we should do problem sums. Okay, let's see. Chungkok is coming back into the game. He divided by 4. He divided by 4, get 9. Well done. So 9 divided by 10. 9 divided by 10. Divide, you shift back 1 decimal place. Point. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. Well done. What about the next few? Putri, just be patient for a while. I'll give you another question down here. You try to do long division. This time divided by 13. Okay. Not by 13. Let's see now you have 2 divided by 7. To the nearest, round off to the nearest 10. Miss Putri. 2 divided by 7. Round off to the nearest 10. Well done, Putra. Let's see. Cannot be. This is 2 over 7 now, Miss Putri. You going to do the same thing. 7 divided by 2, alamak. Jangan gitulah. I give you 2 divided by 7. Notice the mind will play tricks, no? They will go for the easier one. So be careful. So it's not that. I think well done to Mr. Chungkok. Hold on, let me just check. Putra, just hold on. Well done, Putra. Well done. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, hold on. Yes. To the nearest 10, So you must have only 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. What would it be? Putri. 1 decimal place. Putri, you look tired, Putri. Do you help in the housework or not? Can you cook, Putri? Nasi lemak? Can. Is it true, Putra? No, cannot. Okay, well done, Putri. All right, we'll give you another 2 minutes more. Putri, I'm going to give you more questions over here so that you are able to be occupied. Putri, just very simple stuff like that. Usna entering. What's your answer? Shafia, I see 2 double of you. Shafia, which one is the true one? I can cook, Putra. I can cook, Putra. You can cook, your brother. Oh, I can cook. Putra can cook sikit. I can cook a lot. I just say I can cook, Putra.
I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me. No, the Putri says that she can cook her brother. I don't know what it means. Maybe say, I want to cook Putra. Then. Okay, Mimi, let me see. Mimi, which question is it, Mimi? Which one, huh? I'm not too sure which one. Can you type in the question? Which one, Naomi, which one, which question?
Oh.
Naomi, which question, Naomi? The 1.3.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one, the question for me one.
1.23
here.
times 0.002. Oh, I am eating. I'm so sorry. Okay, my wife made some cupcakes. Huh? So to prevent myself from it's okay. They call it cupcake bantut. Bantut means it didn't happen, but I think it's quite okay. Don't tell her that. Now you mean the 1.23 is which one in here? Can you give the which number is it? Is it 1A? Is it 2B? 3C? Which one? If you say the 1.3, I don't know which one. Husna again entering. Yeah. Husna joining again. Okay, just hold on. Let me just check. All right, 6. So you know that you need to have 4 decimal places, right? 3. Well done. Okay, I'm not going to go through. Oh, Naomi is entering again. Okay. All right, I'm going to stop here. We're going to move on, okay? Because if we will have more time doing that. But I can see 2 Husna. Scary lah. They call it doppelganger, is it? Or something like that. This one now. This one. First of all, you must be very clear about what. I better write it down here, okay? If you do not know, you take this down now, okay? For example, 1 meter is 100 cm. Okay, remember that, huh? 1 meter is 100 cm. Every time you see kilo, 1 kg means it's 1,000. Kilo means 1,000. Kilobytes, kilogram. If people say, you know, I bought this for 10K. K means kilo, 10,000. Okay, ready? Yeah, I'm going and here we go. Ready? You try, okay? Cannot do, never mind. Cannot do, never mind. We try first. Okay. And go. Question 1A to 1D. Liters also, 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter. I will take liter for you guys to show you guys. Okay, you carry on. 4 questions.
Teacher,
Yes.
I still don't understand.
Okay, so now you have 1.53 meters. If you want to change to cm, you must times by 100. That's why you've been practicing. So now you're gonna change from meters. Meters is actually very bigger than cm, you know. 1 meter, there's 100 cm. So 1.53 meters, you want to change to cm, you must do like that. And then your answer, you write it here. Kilometer, you want to change to meter, you got to times by 1,000. So this one, you must times by 1,000. All this you got to memorize. You see, K down here means 1,000. 1,000. So this one also you must times by 1,000. Okay. Liter also, to change to milliliter, you must times by 1,000. See, how do I know you got to memorize? You got to memorize. So you got so many things to memorize. Well, you memorize all your family members' name, your sepupu, your kakak, adik, your great grandparents, grand uncle, even the cat also you can memorize. So we have to memorize. Let us see, someone has sent. Wow. A correct, Putri. B correct, Putri. C correct, Putri. And DD correct, Putri. Congratulations. Putra, I'm waiting to clap for you like that. Come on, the rest of you. Okay, while waiting for the rest of you, I have to share now with the bottom part of the screen so that Putri can do the next part of here. The rest who have not done, don't do everything, okay? That means those who have not done, you do A. You do, if you have done all here, okay, great, you can do all these, yes. Then the rest, no man, you all do first, do first. Actually, all of them are important. You need to know. Oh, there's answers already coming. Let us see. Nayumi, which one? Nayumi, you must times by 100 this one. So how to times this by 100? Nayumi, let's try. So for meters to cm, you must times by 100. 1 meter is 100 cm. So you times by 100. So when you times by 100, 100 is 2 zeros, 1, 2. So this 1.53, you write like that. When you shift the decimal place, you shift 2 places. 1, 2. The dot goes here. So it's 153 cm. Your answer means you times by 1,000. Okay, let us see now. Miss Putri. A is correct. Come on, Shafia, come on. Shafia, last time when you were a baby, you the boy. You know how I know? Anyone who looks at you now know. Putri can see that last time she was in a boy cradle. You know why, right? Because now also she needs to do like that. That means you are probably in a boy, probably. Let us see for the next one. Miss Putri, well, so sorry, Miss Putri.
Wait, actually.
Putri, try your B again. The clue is this, Putri. The clue, I give you the clue. But let me go through them, okay? Okay, let me go through them now. I'll come to you now. Now, boys and girls, okay, we're going through B now. This one you times by 1,000. Come on. You times by 1,000. Kilo, you need to times by 1,000. So I'm going to show you, okay, because I'm afraid if you do not know, I'm only teaching Putri. Who is that? Oh, Nayumi's adik eh? Okay. So down here, 2.07 times by 1,000, right? Shift 1, shift 2, shift 3, put the dot here. And what you put inside here? Put telur inside here lah, telur. Become 2070. Same thing, kilo means you times by 1,000. So times by 1,000, you have to shift 3 zeros because in 1,000 there's 3 zeros. So how to shift? Same thing now. Remember, this is times. Make the number bigger. 19 become 198. 1, 2, 3, and put the dot here. So it's 1, 9, 8, 7, 5. Next one down here, same thing. Liters to milliliters times by 1,000. Shift again, 3 0. Why? In 1,000, there's 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Put the telur inside. Put the telur inside. Okay. The other day, I went to Seng Chun Telur Factory. They have like 1 million, almost 1 million chickens. And they lay about 500,000 or 600,000 eggs every day. And I was so shocked. You know, I'm shocked. I tell my mother and my wife that they say, don't be disgusting. We don't want to eat eggs anymore. But I'm going to tell it to you. Can I tell it to you? Cannot. Hey, who's that? Husna? Why am I seeing myself there, Husna Shafia? Okay, forgive me for explaining, okay? But you need to know. Do you think that the eggs that come from the factory, do you think you can open up, you can find embryo, and then you become a chick? No. These chickens that lay eggs, they do not mate with the male, you know. The males don't mate with them. That means this is like menstruation, the blood that come out for women, from the girls also. And when you, for human beings, when you come out, there's one egg only. For them, they lay the eggs, is like menstruation, but it's not fertilized. So the eggs that we are eating today from all is like eggs like your height, no? You know what I mean? So my mom and daddy say, oh my goodness, I can't imagine. No, we are eating our own menses, something like that. But I'm just telling you so that you know you will never find a baby chick inside the Singapore egg. Why? Because it's not fertilized. And one more thing, you'll be shocked. Do you know that in order to make the shell, just like when your mother was carrying you in her womb, she needs to eat a lot of calcium, milk, cheese, because that is good for the bones. Also, she will take certain vitamins. So the chicken needs to do that also for, what is that? The chicken also need to do that for what? Also need to do that for what? For making the eggshell. So what do they eat? You'll be surprised. You will never guess it. It is what? It is me there. How come my head is going up like that? Like alien. My head is bigger and the top. Come on. Who is that thing? Allah Akbar. Sami Allah. Oi. Okay. The chickens eat limestone. You know what's limestone? Okay, I show you. I was so shocked, you know. The chickens, they eat the limestone. So, okay. Limestone. This is limestone, you know. They put limestone inside. Okay. Chicken. Okay, let's see. Chickens pack on eat limestone to make shell. You see? Okay. Okay. So anyway, yeah. Is limestone harmful to chicken? Agricultural lime is ground and they have calcium. It's used in coops and buns. Yeah. Yeah.
Teacher.
Yeah. Yes. You call me, then you just leave me. Yes.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes. Can you hear me?
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes. What is it?
Teacher.
Yes. Putra, can you hear me? No, you are not telling the truth. If you're not telling the truth, when I snap my fingers, you will laugh. You're laughing. Putri, can you hear me?
Teacher.
Yeah. Cannot? Yes. You cannot hear me? And then if you cannot hear, yes. If you cannot hear me, how can you answer my question? Only Shafia cannot hear me. Shafia, do you know there's a fly on your head, on top of your head there? Do you know that? You see, you try to see. You touch your forehead. You try to touch your forehead, Shafia. You touch your forehead.
Teacher, I cannot hear you.
Yeah, you cannot hear me. That means you got to. Okay, hold on. I send a message to. Yeah, I cannot hear. You got to log in again. You got to log in again.
Hello.
You got to log in again, lah.
Okay, bye.
You got to log in again. I can't help you.
You mean
Okay.
leave?
Yeah, how do I help you? I do not know. But whereas Putri and Putra, they are pretending they cannot hear me. But then they can answer my question. It's a miracle. They are able to read. Bye-bye. Okay, let's go back to this. Okay, so let's try this one. But where are the rest, Ya Allah? Those two, and your brother, where is he gone to? Allahu Akbar. What happened ni? It's not serious lah, dorang ni. Not serious lah. Aduh. That's why with Raidi is good Raidi. But anyway, I want to show you something, which is, she's joining again. This down here, Putri, how many liters is this? How many liters?
Hi.
How many liters is this drink?
Hi.
Huh?
1.
1, yes. You can see 1 here. Can see 1 liter. So this is 1 liter. This is 1,000 milliliters. So you have your mineral water, two of it makes 1,000, depending on the size of the thing. Okay, come. We move on to the next one. Now, someone wants to come in here. Husna Shafia again. Okay. So now down here, how to do this question? Very, very simple. If this has kilo, you make sure down here there's 3 blanks. If it's meters times by 100, put 2 blanks. Times by 1,000, 3. Yes. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Okay, good. So kilo down here, you got to put 3 blanks. Now, why am I telling you this? Watch. Now, so down here, you get 217. Before the dot, you put it here, inside here. And then you must have 3 blanks here. This 9, you put it in front. Then the rest, you must fill it up with 0. You get it, Putri? Okay, if you want to change and you need to multiply by 1,000, there must be 3 blanks here. So down here, there must be 3 blanks here. So before the dot, you put 3. So Putri, what's the number here we write? Is it 0?
640.
640 or 0? 640. Yes, well done. You add the 0. Yes. 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 You call my name all the time. Your voice is echo. Go. Go to the toilet. Okay, come, we try. Yes. Okay, now.
So,
Yeah.
for question A, right? Can we put like 12 meters and 300 centimeters?
Cannot, because down here you have 2 blanks. So Naomi, you're right. Down here you must, so down here, you see 12 is before the dot. Down here now you have 2 blanks. So you put 0, 3. You put 0, 3 lah. Actually, you don't need to. Now it's 3 here, because why don't you put the 3 in front? Because there's a 0 in front. So you put the 0 in front. Okay. So we move on to the next one. We only have 32 minutes, and I need you all to master this lah. Okay, but I hope for Putra, if he doesn't understand, you will teach your brother lah. Okay, can you try this one? This one now, from small to become big, small to become cm to become meter, you must divide. Son, divide by 100. Kilo, divide by 1,000. All right, but be careful. This one is not small to big, it's big to small. This one must times. This one from small unit to big unit must divide. You got to look carefully. Cm is smaller than meter, this one divide. Km is bigger, must times. Be careful, be careful. Not all is divide, not all is times. Can you try question 3A to 3D? D. Well done. You don't need to put the last 0. Doesn't make a difference. Okay. But well done. The answer is correct. Answer is correct. Well done. You're not tricked. You know when to times, when to divide. Very important. Chungkok, don't turn off every video. See, everyone wants person turn off video. Everyone turn off video lah. See. Naomi, let's see. Naomi, this one you don't times. This is smaller unit, must change to bigger. You must divide by 100. Naomi, you got to be careful. Cm, ask yourself, when to times, when to divide. Now this cm is smaller than meter. Is smaller, you must times, divide. If km is bigger, you must times. Grams is smaller than kg, divide. This one smaller than this, divide. All right. So almost there, Naimi. 450 divided by 100. 100, there's 2 zeros, Naimi. Start from here. 1, 2. Put a dot here. 4.5. Okay. Hey, who's handsome? Are you sending me? How can I be handsome? You are the one handsome, lah. I know why you tell me that, because you want me to tell you you are handsome. Putra, you are handsome. Now, Putri, this one you telajak. That means you go 4 zeros. For the kilo, remember there's 1,000 is 3 zeros. You must shift 3 times. And then, yeah. Yeah, but don't forget the 8. There's an 8. Oh, Naomi. Yeah, Naomi, there's an. And I'm confused now. Naomi, this one's big one. You want to change it to small. Big to small, you must times. And K means you must times by 1,000. Can you see K down here? This one you must divide. Why? Smaller unit to bigger unit. Grams is smaller than kilograms. Kilograms means 1,000 grams. Kilometer means 1,000 meters. 1,000 meters to meters. Big to small unit. Big to small, you must times. Times by what? Times by 1,000.
Teacher, am I correct?
Hold on. Yeah, that one is correct now. Yes, C is correct. So down here, Naomi, you got a times by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. Put a 0. So 6, 2, 8, 0 meters. Okay. This one now, you look. You need to divide. Why you need to divide? You need to divide because this unit is small. It is becoming bigger unit. So you must divide. You divide by what? Divide by 1,000. For kilo, there's 1,000. So divide 1, 2, 3. Why 3? Because there's 3 zeros here. 7.95. Okay. The last one. The last one, from big, small again. Small to big. Milliliters, very small. So small to big must divide. Divide by what? Divide by 1,000. Why 1,000? Because 1 liter has 1,000 milliliters. 1, 2, 3. So you move back. 1, 2, and 3. Dot. 0.059 meters. Okay, we move on to the next one. I do hope you are getting it. I'm just worried you're not getting it. That's my worry. Okay, this one is. If you do not know this one, I'll give you a clue. Meters to cm, how many is 100? So there must be 2 blanks. What number with 2 blanks? You know, something like that. This one now, kilo to meters got 3 blanks. So 1, 2, 3 plus a dot on here. Okay, same thing. Kilo, there's 3 blanks. 1,000. Okay, we may have to do this topic again because some of you are confused really. Or tired, you're tired. Cannot. I think only Putri is the one. Putri is the one concentrating. Okay, Putri, B is not correct. A is not correct. So down here now, how to do this one? 7 cm. Okay, this one you got to put it in the last one. Watch, 7. Put the 7 here. Okay. 21, right? 21 before the blank. Nothing here, put 0, 7. This one now, 6. Don't put in front, must put at the back. The rest down here is 0. Then 42. See
Teacher.
why? Yes.
Why we put the 6 behind, not in front?
Not in front. Okay. So now I'll show you. If this is 42.6 km, this means 42.6 times by 100. 1,000 to get meters, right? So 42 is here. 6 times 1,000 is 600, you know. Because 0.6, what? 0.6. This is 0.6, no? Times 1,000, you shift 1, 2, 3, and you get what? You get 600 meters. Whereas this is only 6 meters. If you put down here, it means it's 600 meters, like that. You see, I put down here. But they didn't say this is 600 meters. They say it's only 6 meters. That's why you got to put it back. So when you have meters down here, you see 55?
I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me? Who is that? Who cannot hear me? Why I speak so soft? Yeah, are you serious now? Okay, can you hear me now?
I cannot hear you.
Who cannot hear me? Are you joking or what? Okay, I'm going to go up now. You're serious, huh? You cannot hear me?
Oh wait, it's my volume.
No, you cannot hear me. I will go out here and do. Okay. No.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me? Husna, can you hear me? Now. So now, can you hear me? Cannot. Can. Okay. So now the question is, when do you put it in front, when behind? Simple. Down here, you ask yourself.
I can hear you.
Down here, this is 42 km and 6 meters. Now, how do you write 6? Is it 600 or 006? It's 006. So when you change now, this thing will go down here. You can see now, Putri. If I put 0.6, it means this is 600. But it's not 606 only. This is only 6. Same thing down here. If I put, let's say, if we follow your method, okay, let's say we follow your method. Let's say your method say 9 kg and 5 gram. Let's say 5 gram. So 5 gram, I put 9 kg here, 5 gram. This become 500 gram. So this one is 5 only. So how to write 5? You must write it at the end and put the 0 here. But now it's no longer asking you that. It's telling you it's 55 grams. So we've got 55 here. And then down here we 0. Are you okay? Down here 85. Okay, that means we need to practice this some more. Okay, I will practice this some more. Inshallah, in time. Okay, because I think you're still confused. Why I speak so soft? Okay, someone asked why I speak so soft. Because I feel I have a soft voice. Anyway, come we try. Word problem. Can we try? Okay, and go. Let's see. What's that? Okay. Just hold on, huh? 0.54. Okay, I think you're right. Congratulations, Miss Putri. Can do or not? No, this is very simple, huh?
Teacher,
Just
this one
times.
can go.
What?
Teacher, this
Yeah.
one can go.
This one can go what? What did she say? Putri, can you hear what she said? We can't hear what she said. You know why you have that interference, Miss Shafia? Because you got two
It's so
phone.
echoey, right?
Yeah, because you got two phones near to each other.
Go through this question.
Okay, now down here, you can just times like this if you want to. So how to times? The zero don't need to times now because if you time 5 times 0, 0. 0 and 0, 0. And then 2 times 0, 0. What's the purpose of writing all the 0? You know what I mean? We are wasting time. So what I suggest is don't write this 0. Go straight to the next one, but put 1 0 here. 5 times 3, 15. Carry 1. Okay. 0 times 3, 0 plus 1, 1. 2 times 3, 6. Count the number of blanks after the decimal place. 1, 2, 1, 2, 61, 50. Okay, you try the next one. Try the next one, huh? Here we go. Okay, I'm going to get my phone. Okay, try this one. Okay, I will share with you some stuff. You all look very bored now. You will like after this, okay?
Sure.
Yes.
What is this?
What is this? Okay.
It's so
Kiosk. That means a small a petrol station. Okay, I show you now. Okay, can I just show you? Maybe in Indonesia, you want to know how they pump petrol. Okay, so we go down here. We go to, what do they call petrol in Bahasa Indonesia, you know? Benzene. Benzene is, Shafia, don't write that, Shafia. Petrol kiosk versus station. Right. Okay. Petrol kiosk versus station. Okay, you can see now. Now, kiosk may be small like this. This is a station. So the kiosk is a small part of it. Let me see. But I just show you petrol sale Indonesia. You'll be surprised. You know, your bottle, all this mineral water, they fill with petrol, you know. They sell the petrol like that. You can stop by and you can buy the bottle. And then you can, people can just, you can pour fuel like that. But they're selling it in bottle. You all know that. I do not know whether, I was so shocked first time when I go down there. Gasoline for sale. This is petrol, you know. Singapore, they don't allow that because it's very dangerous, right? They're not allowed.
is that?
Petrol, this petrol. How much?
Is it how much?
Maybe $2 for one bottle.
Why so cheap?
Yeah, 1 liter is about $2 in Singapore also. But you know, a car This thing, one car with let's say just 1 liter of petrol can travel only 10
What about the name
kilometers.
pad?
Petrol. Pet lah, that's
Got
pet.
pad.
Yeah. Actually down here now, in Indonesia they call it benzene. Benzene, you can see benzene, this is benzene in Indonesia lah. Gasoline, maybe that's the brand or something. Okay, let's go back to what I wanted to share. Oh, I wanted to show you something. But did I tell you about pong pong tree? No. Okay. So in Singapore, when I was young, there's this thing called the pong pong tree.
I know.
You know about it? I told you.
I know.
You know the pong pong tree, okay?
Yeah.
Now pong pong tree, yeah. Now it looks like an apple. It looks like this. But be careful. This is not an apple, You eat this, you get poison.
It's poisonous.
Yes. Sometimes it's red. Sometimes. You know the Dayak community? The Dayak. I was reading in a book that they will take this fruit because the fruit inside is like that, you know. Can you see that? It's brown husk. You cannot eat. There's no flesh. So they will pound it. They will pound. It will made into poison. So what do they do? Okay, let me see. I will search for you in a moment. They will then go hunting for fish. They don't use the net, you know. So what they do is they take the powder, they throw it into the water. The fish will become mabuk, you know. When the fish is mabuk, the fish slows down. They take the spear and then they chochok the thing. Interesting, eh? Very interesting way of doing it. But be careful, it's poisonous. How come Husna Shafia, I can see my own face down there? Why are we having our own face? Let us see now. Pong pong tree poison. Okay, pong pong powder lah. Yeah, the fruit is like that. You cannot eat. You know what I mean? Have you all seen? Have you all seen? Now it's difficult to find. It's inside like that. Eating pong pong seeds. Yeah, you see. Whether they have anything. Transgender means that pondan like that lah. You know pondan? Those half male, half female. She dies after eating pong pong seeds from Thailand. Can see now. So the seeds, these are poisonous. Be careful. Okay. But anyway, we come back to it. I just feel so strange that Husna Shafia has two the thing, and then one of it is showing me. Yeah, I'm quite scared. It's a scary thing. Okay, we go back to this. Let's try. So, Miss Putri have given an answer. Let us check whether your answer is correct. It's easy, right, Putri? Let me see whether your answer is correct. Congratulations, Putri. So, come on, the rest we can. Naomi, are you okay, Naomi? You raise your hand. So down here is 32.27. They drove only 15.65. So they're asking how much more? Minus lah, that's it, minus. So how to minus? Arrange it accordingly, straight line, according to the dot, please. For times and divide, you don't need to arrange it to the dot, only for plus and minus. So you minus. See? Boys and girls, are you okay now? You look very tired already. We are tired of you. You don't say that. Come you tired of me. Yes, we are tired of you. Oh, you're so bad. Who's most tired of me? Hey, don't be like that. What do you say to that? 16. This is Shafia. Shafia is called Miss Echo. Your okay, 16.62 km. Notice, I need to arrange when plus or minus decimal number. I need to arrange the dots all in a straight line. For times divide, don't need. Don't need to times and divide. You don't need to have alignment. Sure, can share more stories. Okay, what story you want me to share? Okay, let's see. What's that? Not 50. I shared a story. Have I told you about Adrian Lim? Adrian Lim atau Adrian Lim the murderer. Singapore murderer. I show you. Okay. Now. Hey, your that thing you got to mute one of your that thing. Yeah. Okay. So I show you.
Yes.
Now this is Adrian Lim. If you type Adrian Lim, okay, this is this man, Adrian Lim. Mother a boy
You did
killed.
tell us this story.
I told you.
Sorry.
I told you already. Okay, then I ask you, say have not heard. Okay.
Forget the name.
Forget the name. So what other stories you want me to tell you? You want me to tell you true stories? Did I tell ghost story? Do you want ghost stories? Why you want ghost stories? Okay, but anyway, there's no other story. I got no more stories to tell you. BTS story. I do not know BTS. You have BTS story. Do one BTS. You want BTS? We do after. Okay, we have another 9 minutes more. Why we do the few more, and then after we can tell stories. Okay, we try now. The next one, Can you try this one? We do question 3, question 4, question 5. That's it. And then after that we tell stories. I will tell you a story about.
So question 5 can use calculator.
Yes. Question 5 can use calculator. Question 4 we try lah without calculator. Easy lah, this one. E.T. You have the first answer, yeah? Congratulations, Miss Putri. Well done. Well done. So you must do already problem sums that are more difficult. This is the most basic, right? It's quite simple. And the PSLE may not be too simple. But this for the primary 5, it's a challenge. So we just wait just for a moment. Okay, Putri, while waiting. Oh, the rest of sent. Baring. Putra duduk kat katil. Putra, come back lah Putra. Kenapa kamu baring kat katil? You know what they call in Indonesia is katil. Katil is for the mayat, no? The word katil is for the dead body. They don't have the word called katil. They call it tempat tidur. Okay, we'll move straight to this one, and then in fact talking about you know what's a mortuary now? Mortuary is where they keep the dead bodies. There was a case. Let me show you this first, okay? So 100 workers, they work for 40 hours. So you times how many hours did all of them work in a week? They work 4,000 hours. 4,000 hours. So 4,000 hours now, you want to find how much do they get if they are paid $6.50 an hour. So take 650 times 4,000 lah. So times 4,000. Okay. You don't need to times 0, just write 1, 2, 3, 0. 0 times 4, 0. 5 times 4, 20. 6 times 4, 24 plus 2, 26. Then count the number of decimal places. 1, 2. 1, 2. Dot. $26,000. Okay, I tell you this scary thing about this lady. In fact, I can't remember which country she's from, but they found out that this lady, she collapsed, and then she didn't have a heartbeat. So what happened? So she's considered dead now. Oh my goodness. Why is that? It looks so scary, man. How come my forehead is like that? Aduh. Alamak. How to tell you this story? But I'll show you a mortuary, okay? This is where the mortuary is. You know what's mortuary, yeah? If you do not know, I'll show it. Mortuary. Okay, mortuary, down here. A room or building in which dead bodies are kept. And they are kept in drawers. So, and it's cold. So mortuary is like this. This is the mortuary. They have a space, this cabinets. Can you see this cabinet? Oh, this is a old mortuary. See? Let me find a better mortuary. This is also like a mortuary. Maybe this one doesn't have the cabinet. It's an open one. Okay, but they put the dead bodies there. This is large mortuary. But most mortuaries, they have like this. So it's a little bit cold. It's not frozen, but it's a little bit cold so as to slow down the rate of decomposition. So they found out for one of them, the lady woke up inside this, but it was locked. Now, how do they know? When they took out her body, they found scratch marks inside the wall. Scratch marks, That means she was trying to escape. In the end, she died. So there have been cases where the people stopped breathing and the doctor declared that the patient is dead, but the patient woke up from the death. I'll show you one last thing, okay? There's this woman, a Muslim woman. This came out in the newspaper a few years ago. Her baby died inside her womb. You know, sometimes the baby can die inside the womb, right? Not stomach, no. You know that you're not from the stomach, you're from the womb. Stomach, what comes out? You come out as defecate lah. You defecate. Yeah, your mommy and daddy mommy didn't defecate you, right? Defecate you can every time you go toilet, suddenly find out, I got a baby. Baby tahi lah. Okay. So now what happened? I check. So her baby died inside her. There's no more heartbeat. And most of the time, at that point in time, if the baby is dead, how to take out the baby? Most probably, if you do the surgery, she will die. She was so frightened.
Sir, I cannot hear you.
Cannot hear me? Putri, can you hear me? Yes. So what happened was, she was so afraid to go to the hospital, she didn't go. And what happened? The dead baby was inside her for years and years and years. And what happened after that? That baby hardened. And one day, many years later, about 30, 40 years later, they go and x-ray her and found that the baby had turned into like a solid. So you want to see those pictures? See, lady. This is the lady. This lady, Moroccan woman gives birth to stone baby. This is the story. Why stone baby? Because she was so afraid.
Show us the video.
Video. Okay, down here, hold on. I just. This one is another person.
She may have difficulty hearing, her gait slowed by arthritis, but otherwise, 91-year-old Estela Melendez is doing just fine. She lives in the peaceful
This
town
one,
of
another
La
one.
Boca, where
I
the
didn't know
Papel
about this.
River meets the Pacific Ocean. But her quiet life was recently upended when she suffered a fall. A doctor spotted something concerning on her x-ray.
Y me dijo el doctor que era un tumor que tenía.
The doctor said I had a tumor and that they needed to operate on me, Melendez says. But when a second x-ray was ordered to confirm, doctors couldn't believe their eyes. The mass they were looking at turned out not to be a tumor, but a fetus. Yes, that's right, a fetus.
Porque yo tengo un bulto
Fetus
aquí.
means
I have
unborn
a
child.
lump here, Melendez says, touching her belly. For Melendez and her family, it's been quite a shock. Melendez became a widow in January when Manuel Gonzalez
Okay, I'll show you that one. This one. This is this one 91. The Moroccan woman. Yeah. Yes. Yes. This girl always Moroccan lady there. This is the one. But I do not know whether this is the one. I do not know whether there's a video here. See, she felt excruciating labor pains, meaning want to give up. Suffered no miscarriage, and the pain stopped after a few days. She believed, then she lived her life normally, and she adopted children. So when they did the X-ray, they found that the baby was here after 46 years. And this is what gave birth, like a stone. They say like calcium, like that.
Teacher, what is that?
That's the baby.
Teacher, what is that?
The baby.
Teacher. I cannot
That's
hear you.
Yeah, what to do lah? You cannot hear me.
Oh.
Yeah, there can you see the baby
How
is
do
this.
they take it out?
I cannot hear you.
They have to what pull it out lah by, I don't know, in this case they have to do a surgery, I think. Now the video is gone already. Okay, so I think we will stop here. Okay, I yeah, take care of yourself. We see you next week. All right, bye bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye, teacher.
Assalamualaikum.